Feline culinary partners. In a cozy kitchen, a dedicated mother cat begins preparing their spaghetti. The little one is eager to help with the ingredients. Every small task is handled with great care and focus. The aroma of fresh ingredients fills the air. Now, the most important part of the recipe, rolling the meatballs. A curious spectator watches the practice technique. She perfects each sphere before moving to the next. Teamwork makes the cooking dream work. The rich tomato sauce is ready for the final additions. A quick, playful interruption near the warm pots. The mother cat watches the sauce bubble, a sign of perfection. Dinner is almost served for the hardworking duo.